In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted objects from video in CapCut PC step by step using CapCut's AI remove tool. This is a really useful feature if you want to clean up your footage, remove small distractions, or make your clips look more polished without needing advanced editing skills. If you've ever filmed something perfect except for one annoying object in the background, this tutorial is for you. And before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut on your PC and import the video you want to edit. You can usually do this by dragging and dropping your file into the media area or by using the import option, depending on your setup. Once your video is added, drag it down onto the timeline so you can start editing it. This step is important because all of the editing tools you need will work from the clip placed on the timeline. Now, click on the clip on the timeline so it becomes selected. When the clip is selected, look over to the right-hand editing panel. This is where CapCut shows all of the main video adjustment options. In that panel, click on Video, then choose Basic. This will bring up the standard editing controls for your clip. Now scroll down until you find the AI Remove option. This is the feature CapCut uses to help you remove unwanted objects from the video automatically. Once you click AI Remove, CapCut will open the removal tool where you can mark the part of the video that you want gone. At this point, select the Quick Brush tool. This brush makes it easy to paint over the object you want to remove. Before you start brushing, adjust the brush size so it is slightly larger than the object. That extra size helps make sure the tool captures the full object and gives you a cleaner result. Now, carefully paint over the unwanted object with one clean stroke. Try to cover the full object without brushing too far into the background because a neat selection usually gives better results. After you've marked the object, click Remove. CapCut will then process the clip and work on removing the selected area from your video. Depending on the size of the object and the length of the clip, this may take a few moments, so let the software finish processing. Once it's done, review the clip to make sure the object has been removed properly and that the result looks natural. If needed, you can always go back and adjust the brush selection for a better cleanup. And that's it. You've successfully removed unwanted objects from video in CapCut PC using the AI Remove tool. This is one of the easiest ways to improve your footage and make your videos look more professional in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.